Hi to all. Today we are going to continue with the data handling. So exercise 3.3. We are going to do question number 4 now. So they have given the performance of a student in first term and second term is given. Draw a double bar graph choosing appropriate scale and answer the following. So there is a table given. So let us just draw the table now. Okay, so subject is here, the subject is given, and then first term marks and also the second term marks, both were out of 100. So it is like this. Now subject is, so first term and then second term. So the subjects are English, then Hindi, then the lovely subject maths, then science, then social science. So the table is like this: 67, 70, 72, 65, 88, 95, and then the student has done well in maths in both the terms. Science 81 and 85, social science 73 and 75. So now we have to draw a double bar graph. So I'm drawing the double bar graph like this. So subjects we can take in the x-axis and the marks we will take in the y-axis. So each unit, let us take it as 10. So 40, 50, 60. I have to increase little. 70 and then 80 and then we have 90. Oh, till even 95 they have scored. And this is 100. Okay, now English first term it was 67, so somewhere here. And then this is a double bar graph. The next one is 70. I told you in double bar graphs you have to take only 5 divisions for each thing. Like for first term you take 5 divisions and for second term you take 5 divisions. So it will be something like this: Hindi 72 and then 65. So 65 will be somewhere here. So it's like this. And then the next one 88 and 95. So I'm just going to rub this question as there is no space. So I'm just deleting this question. You can just see in your textbook. So the third one is 88 and 95. So 88 is somewhere here. So 88 is somewhere here and then 95 will be somewhere here. So again just draw lines. As I'm not using a graph paper, the spaces are not appropriate, the width of the bars also. So you can do it nicely on a graph paper. And then 81 and 85. So 81 is somewhere here and then 85 will be somewhere here. So like this. And then the next one 73 and 75. So where is 73? 73 will be somewhere here and 75 will be somewhere here. So like this it will be. Okay, now the subjects were English, then Hindi, and then maths, and then science, and then social science. So, and this is marks were along the y-axis and subjects were along the x-axis. I told you have to write a scale. So scale is 1 unit is equal to 10 marks. And then now they have asked some questions. In which subject has a child improved his performance the most? So it is in maths. You can see here there is a big difference between the first small bar and the second small bar. So the answer is maths. And then second one, in which subject is the improvement the least? So that was in social science. The improvement was very little, but still he improved good. And then the third one, has a performance gone down in any subject? Yes, it had gone down only in Hindi. The rest of the subjects there was a steady improvement. Good student. Okay, now let us go to question number 5. So I'm just going to delete this. Keep practicing maths every day for 2 hours and try your best to do well in maths. It will increase your percentage. Develop some interest in maths. Think that it is an easy subject and it will be easy for you. The more you practice, you will get more confidence to face the questions. Okay, now let us look at question number 5. Consider this data collected from a survey of a colony. So they have given favorite sport. So they have gone to a colony and interviewed the people. Cricket, what they like, basketball, and then swimming, and then hockey, and then athletics. So it's like this, and then watching and participating. Both are given here. So watching and participating. So they have given 12, 40, and then 620, 470, 320, 510, 320, 430, 250, 250 and 105. So now let me just make a table. So it is like this. Okay, so cricket, basketball, swimming, then hockey, then athletics. So now they have told draw a double bar graph choosing an appropriate scale. What do you infer from the bar graph? So first of all, let us draw a double bar graph. So just take like this and then draw the y-axis. So here I'm just deleting this question number all. So it is like this. Now each unit you can take it as 100. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000. Then as there's no space, it is, I'm just crumpling the numbers. So 1100, then 1200, then 1300. So now cricket, it is 1240. So 1240 means it will be somewhere here, and then 620, so 620 will be somewhere here. So the double bar graph, use a scale and draw. I'm just drawing it roughly, don't be upset about it. So it is like this. So this is over. Then it is 470 and 320. So 470 is going to be somewhere here. 470 and 320 is going to be somewhere here. So it's going to be something like this. Okay, then the next one, 510 and 320. So 510 may be somewhere here, and 320 again, so it is here. So it is like this. Okay, then what is the next one? It is given 430 and 250. 430 will be somewhere here. 430 and 250. So 250 will be somewhere here. So just I'm rubbing the extra parts, and then 250 and 105. So 250 is going to be somewhere here. 250 and then 105 is going to be here. So that's it, we finished drawing. And this is cricket, and then basketball, and then swimming, and then hockey, and then athletics. So now the question is, so what do you infer from the bar graph? You have to write the scale. 1 unit is equal to, this was a data collected from a colony, so 100 people, and then they have asked, what do you infer from the bar graph? This is the first question. So cricket is the most popular game. See, cricket, even watching and participating both are high. So that one we are inferring. And then the next one, so I'm just putting dots like this. That is, cricket is the most popular game. And then the second one is, more people are watching sports, and I mean compared to participating in sports. So that is the second thing we are learning from the bar graph. So more people are watching sports than participating in sports. Then the second one is, like this was the first part, and the second part, which sport is most popular? It is cricket. And then which is more preferred, watching or participating in sports? You can see everywhere watching sports is higher. Watching sports bar is higher than the bar which is used to represent participating in sports. This was watching, this was participating, in everything like that. So watching, participating, watching, participating, watching, participating. You can see there is a sharp decline in participating, okay, compared to those who are watching. Okay, then this is over, and that's all for today. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.